ICE agents often show up to your home with paperwork and a badge. People often see this and just automatically assume that they don't have any rights. But not all warrants are the same. And knowing the difference between a judicial warrant and an administrative warrant will help protect you, your family, and your home. A warrant is supposed to be a legal permission to do something, like enter your home or detain a person. But here's what most people don't know. Who signs the warrants matter. A judicial warrant is signed by a judge or a magistrate. This type of warrant is usually issued by a court, requires probable cause, and authorize ICE or police to enter your home. If ICE wants to legally enter your home without consent, they must have a judicial warrant issued by a judge. You have the right to ask, is this warrant signed by a judge? You also have the right to ask, may I see this warrant? Here's the part that causes most of the confusion. What an administrative warrant is. An administrative warrant is usually issued by ICE or the Department of Homeland Security. It is not signed by a judge. It is often a form I-200 or I-205 form. This form does not authorize ICE to enter your home. Administrative warrants are internal ICE documents. They are not court orders. This means that ICE agents cannot use an administrative order to forcibly enter your home. You do not have to open your door for them. The distinction between these two warrants, they matter, and you should know the difference. ICE agents often rely on fear and urgency, so they may quickly flash paperwork in your face. They may say that we have a warrant, but not advise whether it's a judicial warrant or an administrative warrant. They also use pressure, like standing next to your door, very close to your door, to get you to open the door. But remember, you are allowed to slow the situation down. You can calmly say, please slide the warrant under the door or put it up to the window. If it is not signed by a judge, they legally cannot enter. ICE is at your door. Do not open your door. Ask calmly to see the judicial warrant. Look for the judge's name and their signature. No judge's signature equals no access to your home. If ICE happens to be outside or in public, calmly ask if you are being detained. If you are not being detained, you are free to go. If you are being detained, remain calm and ask for an attorney. Understanding the difference between an administrative warrant and a judicial warrant is not resisting the law, it's protecting yourself. Make sure you share this video